All right, y'all. This chunky 4-strand twist video is long overdue, but it's not hard at all, guys. I just start by retwisting my hair as normal. This video is mirrored, so just so you know, I do retwist my locks in the clockwise direction. So it looks counter, but it's actually clockwise. And then I take 2 locks in each of my hands and I start 2-strand twisting in the counterclockwise direction. So as I'm twisting, you can see I kind of make sure that I twirl each strand while I'm twisting. And then that's just how I do it, guys. It's literally just like how I would do a 2-strand twist. And at the bottom, I secure it with a rubber band. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was long overdue. I'm ready to see y'all in some chunky twists. Bye.